Greetings, esteemed and valued clients and subscribers. This is ISON, the #1 brand in the world of professional video surveillance. In this video, we will review the comprehensive and detailed professional ISON-NVR16P recorder. I will tell you everything about this recorder, explain how it connects to the network, explain how cameras connect to it, and also answer the popular question, about what? This video recorder is indeed specifically different from the ISON-NVR16POI model. So let's start by taking a look at the recorder itself. First, let's take everything out of the packaging. On the front panel, we see 3 indicator lights here. If they are lit, it means everything is fine with the recorder. One light is the power indicator, and the other light indicates the presence of a hard drive. So, if it is lit, it means the hard drive is inside and everything is fine with it. The third light indicates the presence of the internet. So if you have connected the recorder to the internet, for example, if you want to view the video remotely from your phone, then if this light is on, it means the internet is reaching the recorder. On the back, we see the LAN port. This is where the switch is connected. Here we see analog inputs for microphones. This is an additional option. I still recommend getting cameras with a built-in microphone over network connection. This way, the sound recording will be of higher quality. Here is the HDMI port and the VGA port to connect to monitors. I recommend connecting via HDMI so you can view Full HD 2K or 4K cameras in the highest quality. You connect here, the recorder supports cameras up to 8 megapixels. Here is the USB port, and there is a similar port on the front panel. It is convenient to connect a mouse or flash drive here to transfer videos. There is also a power connector. Additionally, here we can see that the package includes its own control mouse, which is very useful for navigation and control. There is also a SATA cable included in the package, which is essential for connecting storage devices. This is specifically for connecting the hard drive. There are also 4 additional screws here for mounting the hard drive as well. And of course, the power supply for the recorder itself. So let me answer a popular question. Where do the cameras connect? To connect cameras to a recorder of this standard, an external POI switch is required. They are available on our website in the Others section. You can also check out recorders with a built-in POI switch. For example, the ISON-NVR16POI model. It is more expensive, but it already has a built-in POI switch, meaning the cameras connect directly to the recorder. There are models with fewer cameras, such as the ISON-NVR04POI and ISON-NVR08POI, which support 4 and 8 channels respectively. There is also a recorder with a built-in switch that allows for easy operation and control. With a single power supply, the recorder powers itself and all the connected cameras, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. This setup simplifies. This recorder supports all ISON IP cameras as well as RTSP and ONVIF 2.4 and is compatible with various models. The recorder also supports 3G and 4G internet. For instance, if your location does not have wired internet and only has internet provided through a SIM card, you would need to purchase a SIM card with a USB modem and a router with special firmware for video surveillance to avoid any conflicts. Such routers are available on our website in the miscellaneous section. The router connects to the recorder with a cable and the USB modem is inserted into the router itself. This way you can enable the remote viewing function, which is available here. You can remotely view videos, download archives from your phone, and access the archive. In other words, all the most modern features are available with these recorders. If you have any questions about these recorders, feel free to ask our managers or leave them in the comments below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos.
Now let's take a look at the DVR control menu. Here we need to select the language. Here the system prompts us to enter the password. The default password on all the DVRs is ISON-12345. Click Login here, and we need to check the time. Check the time zone to match the current time zone. Click Next. This is the network settings of the DVR. This is necessary if you immediately connect the recorder to your network. Here are the network settings for all cameras. Click Next. All hard disks will be displayed here. Hard disks should be used with SATA 2, SATA 3 connectors for video surveillance systems. Click Next. Here the system prompts us to change the password and ask control questions. We will not do it now. Click Exit. All our cameras are displayed here. You can move the mouse, and here we have hints and quick menu items. For example, PDZ is for rotating cameras. Zoom button, that is zooming in on the footage. Here you can enable audio that supports your surveillance cameras, which you connect such. 2 times click the mouse to expand the window to full screen. Also click twice to go back. Right-click to open the menu. Here, for example, you can customize the display of the number of cameras you want. Let's click to exit full screen mode in order to see the main menu. There are a lot of different functions and settings here. I will show you the main ones that you will probably use. On the top, we have the main buttons. Here we have now open view mode. On the left, CCTV cameras. Here respectively display. Also customize as you need. Here is the button archive here. Select the desired camera on the left. Select the date on the calendar. Below displays the selected day from 0 to 24 hours. Here you can display only motion recording. You can speed up the video. Then in the search section, you can save the information to a USB flash card before you need to insert it into any USB port of the recorder. Also select the surveillance camera. Select the date. Click on the button to save the video to a USB flash drive. Here are all the same settings that we have already seen. There are also additional settings, such as user settings. Here you can create several users so that then you can keep track of who went into the menu recorder and what did with the system. Here is a system of alerts about different events. Also all standard can be configured. Here network settings. On the P2P tab you can configure the option to view the image from a smartphone. There is also an email tab here. In this item you can configure email notifications that triggered the motion sensor. Here are the camera settings that we have already seen, and also WAST menu settings. For example, you can specify the names for each camera. Here are the recording settings for each camera. In this item, you can choose how to record your CCTV cameras constantly, by motion sensor or by schedule. We recommend that all our customers immediately put all CCTV cameras in motion sensor recording mode. Here is the DVR maintenance button. You can use it to get basic information and also to update the device. In the upper right corner there is also a button to turn off and restart the DVR.